True Jamaican vibes, fire read. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, I know it's part me there. See it there? But they are lovers lane in a St. Elizabeth, our historical site. And you know say after when burial the hurricane passed, lovers lane mash up. This is where a lot of people come and eat a nice sunset. So I'm giving a tour, but no, you still can come a lovers live same way. Them open a new section. You still can have a dinner and think also your wedding. So then if you check out lovers live same way, yeah man. So big up on yourself, now Sham yeah, Nabran, one love, one heart. Yeah man, see place there. Nice. Same way. Love the scenery. All the way mash up. Historical site. So I take you inside of the building. Just like giving a fast view of the place. Show you where I go on. Yeah man, place mash up, flood out, roof off. Yeah. But you still can come catch a nice view same way. Beautiful. Yeah man, the place mash up. Man, I also see lighthouse there. Yeah man, so this is the new section. Yeah man.
Oh, you didn't want to see the settings that how it looks. Nice.